What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make this super moisturizing tropical deep conditioner. This deep conditioner goes onto your hair so easily. It helps to moisturize and it also helps to detangle your curls. So stay tuned if you want to know how to make it. And here is the formula on how exactly I made this deep conditioner. Now just to start off, we're going to want to measure 77 grams of distilled water. Then we're going to want to measure 3 grams of panthenol. The panthenol is going to add those conditioning benefits and smoothing effects to the hair. We're going to want to add about 3 grams of glycerin, which will help to retain moisture within the hair. We're going to want to shake it a little bit, or you could stir it to make sure that all the panthenol dissolves. Then we're going to want to measure about 2 grams of growth butter. Now you don't have to use the growth butter, but I would recommend it just because of all of its amazing benefits that it has within there. Now we're going to want to add 2 grams of cetyl alcohol, which will help nourish the hair follicles. Then to combine oil and water ingredients, 6 grams of emulsifier. I'm also going to be adding in one of my favorite oils, which is sweet almond oil, and I'm adding 2 grams of sweet almond oil into the oil phase. And I absolutely love this oil just because of how lightweight and nourishing it is. To give this deep conditioner that exotic pink tropical color, we're going to add 2 grams of hibiscus powder. And hibiscus powder also has strengthening benefits for the hair strands as well. So here are the oil and water phases. We're just going to want to add them both into a hot water bath and boil it for at least 20 minutes. So that way the ingredients can be disinfected. And whenever you're finished boiling it, you're just going to want to combine the oil phase into the water phase and then whisk it thoroughly. So here you can see that it's already turning into that nice pink color. And I'm just seeing here that the powder is getting kind of stuck within the container. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a spoon and scrape the remainder of it out into the water phase. So now that everything is combined, I'm going to go ahead and whisk it so that way the oil phase and water phase ingredients could combine even more and no separation can occur. Once you're done blending, you're going to want to leave this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour so that way it can begin to thicken up and solidify, and take it out and blend it. So what I'm noticing here is that it's not as thick of a consistency as I want it to be, so I'm going to be adding about 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of glycerin to this mix. So 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum and 2 tablespoons of glycerin. This will help it to thicken up. Mix both the xanthan gum and the glycerin together till it turns into this nice yellow consistency. Then add it into your deep conditioner little by little. So add a bit, then whisk it. After you're done whisking it, add a bit more until you get to your desired consistency. For the remaining ingredients, you're just going to want to add 2 grams of preservative and 1 gram of pineapple scent, so it can have that tropical, nice smell. Then just whisk those ingredients in and you're good to go. Your deep conditioner is now finished. So I'm just transferring it into a 4-ounce container since I made a 100-gram batch, which transfers roughly into about 3.4 ounces. And you can see more clearly here how the mixture has thickened up from this watery consistency to a nice gelatinous consistency that you could easily grab in your hands and apply to your curls without any mess. Here is the finished product, and tell me down below what you guys think about it. So now I'm just applying it throughout my curls, and one thing that I did notice about this is that it does have a little bit of a grainy texture because of the hibiscus powder, but other than that, it's nothing too noticeable. This also does glide directly onto my curls, and it just adds that slip factor which detangles my hair, and it also is just a nice consistency. And here are my finished rinse results of using this deep conditioner. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. Honestly, I'm in love with my results. I love how shiny and soft my curls feel.